Markets open Sunday, 5 p.m. Trinidad time. And I wanted to touch quickly here on a gold trade idea that I basically sent, right? I want to share a powerful strategy that I teach in my training. You could apply to the gold charts and using a proper risk to reward one-to-one. You know, the results are there, guys. So I just showing you here, I posted this chart. Look at this chart here on the 20th of the 12th, 2025, right? And this is the same strategy you could apply, well, in the Forex market, right? Dealing with the currency pairs that I teach personally. You simply apply to the goal as well. So look at this, guys. Let me show you on the WhatsApp group here. I basically posted this at 4:56 p.m. Sunday evening, right? And this was a before pick here. And look what going on here, right? Let me just show you what's happening here. So we go into the charts, for the experienced traders out there using the trading view, right? We're gonna just draw it up quickly, all right? And I was able now to identify at this area here. And this is stuff I teach in the Forex training as well. And just to let you all know that you don't need any experience to come in and learn. The markets are there for you to participate as well. And this is really geared for persons who have a day job. You're looking to earn some money online. You're looking to acquire that Forex education. Definitely want to partake into what it is I'm teaching, right? And this market Trinidad time, you could basically get involved within the hours of Sunday. I would say after 5 p.m. all the way to Friday, the markets close at 5 p.m. So within the time span of Monday to early Friday morning, you could participate in trading the financial markets. And it's not a difficult task, guys. Once you complete my training, you'll be geared to um, place better confirmations if you're already experienced. If you're not, well, you'll be geared as a independent Forex trader, right? So we was really looking at this here based on the confirmations. And I always tell my students as well, not because the market's open every day, you're trading every day, you wait for high quality setups, right? So I just joined some stuff here, some confirmation. This is a very powerful confirmation. I call it break and retest. This is stuff I teach on my day three when I'm going to analyze in the Forex market, right? So the market's actually made a high here and it broke that area, right? And I was really anticipating the risk to reward one-to-one, right? However, as you see what's happening here, the market's actually made a huge drop all the way to that 1 to 2 area, right? All the way to that 1 to 2 area. And look at that there. One trade like this, and you're good to go. If you line up all your confirmations, but you had to remember as well, you had to have a capital in your account to manage the stop loss if it hits. So a 1-to-1 is fine, and I wanted us also say that you wait, patience is a must when it comes to trading the financial markets. So I said, let me just do this quick video just to show you all. Again, let me just show you back the picture here, right? And look, when I send this picture here, I started talking about the goal, right? And 4:50 p.m. And I mentioned about a confirmation here, and look, I drew the chart and I put the chart here as well, guys. This is to show you how powerful my teaching is. You could apply it to the goal charts, and I did a picture right after. You could see how the goal fell all the way down, right? So really, really powerful stuff, guys. As you can see, a before and after pic. So this is a quick video I'm doing here just to show you how you can apply what it is I teach in terms of the strategy to the goal charts, right? So if you're interested in finding out some information, if you're interested in getting started with the training, feel free to reach out to me directly.